In today's video, I'm going to show you how to blur a face in CapCut. This is a super easy method that you can use to hide someone's face in a video. Let's get started. First, open CapCut and import the video you want to edit, and tap Overlay, and add the same video to sit below the original. Once your video is loaded, we'll add the blur effect. Tap on Effects at the bottom of the screen. Then, choose Video Effects and select Lens. Scroll through and find the blur effect. Tap on it to add it to your video. Next, adjust the blur effect so it covers the part of the video where the face is. If you want to make the blur stronger or weaker, tap on the effect, and then select Adjust to change the intensity of the blur. Now, to blur just the face, you'll need to do a bit more. Then, select the overlay video, then tap Mask, and choose the circle mask to blur the face. You can adjust the size and position of the mask as needed. If the person in the video is moving, you'll need to add keyframes to track the movement. Tap the keyframe button at the start of the video. As the person moves, tap Mask, adjust the blur, and click Done. Repeat this for each part where the person moves. And that's how you can easily blur a face in CapCut. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next video.